So good morning students, 11th standard physics. So in this class we are going to discuss about how to measure the large distance as well as small distance. So small distance we already know in lower classes. So the small distance we can measure using screw gauge, vernier caliper as well as centimeter scale. So screw gauge is an instrument used to measure the thickness of fine objects. So we can measure the thickness of our hair using screw gauge. So what is the working principle? That is magnification of linear motion using circular motion of a screw. So in screw gauge there is a pitch scale and head scale. So if you are rotating the head scale, so there is a linear motion, that is a linear motion using a circular motion. So we are seeing the pitch scale as well as head scale, we will get the readings. So least count of the screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. So that is the least value it can measure using the screw gauge. The next, vernier caliper. So it is used to find the diameter of a inner as well as outer of a hole or pipe. So consider a pipe, so I can find the diameter, inner diameter using a vernier caliper as well as outer diameter. So we are using outer diameter, they are lower jaws. To find the inner diameter they are using that is upper jaws. So what is the vernier caliper's least count? That is 0.01 centimeter. So if it is screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. If it is a vernier caliper 0.01 centimeter. So after that, next small distance we are using scale, that is meter scale or centimeter scale. So for measuring the large distance, so large distance means, so to measure the height of a tree as well as distance between the sun and earth or earth and the moon or some other planets, so we need to go for some other indirect methods. So we can't measure directly as using screw gauge using the instrument. So here they are going for a indirect method. So first one, triangulation method. So there are three are discussed in your book. So first one, triangulation method, then parallax method, then radar method. So we are going to find how they are find the height of a tree using triangulation method. So consider a tree or a tower of height h. So we are going to find h. So I am seeing the tree from the point C. So C is a point of observation. So I am x distance from the point B. So it makes an angle of elevation theta. So I know the theta using the ranger. So it's a right angle triangle, that ABC. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is AB, then adjacent is BC. So AB, that is h by x. So h is equal to x tan theta. We can get the formula, final formula. If we know the distance, how much away from that tree or tower, then what is the angle of elevation, you can find the height. So I am seeing a tree, the angle of elevation is 60 degree, I am 50 meter away from the tree. So just substitute the values, h is equal to x tan theta. So x is equal to 50, then tan 60 degree. So tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 equal to 1.732. So 50 into 1.732. So taken out 10 from 50. So 10 into 1.732 will get 17.32. So 17.32 into 5 will get 86.60. So finally we will get the height of a tree is 86.6 meter. So if 50 meter you are away from the tree and seeing the tree, that angle of elevation is 60 degree, the height of the tree is 86.6 meter. So I am not using a scale or tape to measure the height of a tree. So it's an indirect method using a formula. So that is a triangulation method. So repeatedly they are asking triangulation method as well as theory as well as problem. So you need to concentrate both. So in this class we have discussed how to measure the small distance as well as large distance. So one part triangulation method. So okay students.